So guys, I'll be introducing you what I will use to make this. You can see the mixed shrimps. I have a yellow one here. I have the white one. I have octopus and everything. I have a vegetable. This cabbage here. We have the green one, also the purple one. Yeah. So if you know this vegetable, if you know the name, let me know. Okay. So I have already cut them before I started. I don't want this video to be long. Now we will start doing cooking this. And now I'm adding my vegetable oil in the pot. I will allow it to heat up. After heating up, I will add my onions. Okay. Yeah, this is my I'm gonna use also paprika, which they call bell pepper. Yeah, I'm gonna slice it also and set aside. I'm gonna use also onions. I've already sliced everything I'm using to do this. Now my oil have heated up. I added the small salt. I added my onions. I use white onions and also red onions. I mix it together to bring out the color and the taste, guys. So I will allow these onions I will fry it for a small time. I will allow it to fry for small time before we start adding other things. Okay, guys. Yeah, you are gonna like this so much because after using it, I did not do any other stone minus this. Now I'll go on and add my shrimps. You can see I have a lot of different protein I'm using. Okay, guys, feel free to use any types of your shrimps you like. I love this mixed one, that's why I got it. So I'm gonna stir fry it for like 2-3 minutes. Okay, I will stir fry it and allow it to fry small before I can add other things. If you have your spices, you can add it now. Any spices can go. Okay, I'm adding the one I have. This one is what I can use it to bake. I can also use it to cook. So I'm adding now my black pepper. I will also add my ginger powder. I will add all the things I needed, like my spices. I'm gonna add it. And this is garlic, the fresh garlic. I added my fresh, not garlic, ginger, and sorry, my fresh ginger. Just slice it and added it. So guys, just keep watching. Now this is my studied tomato. I'm gonna slice it. Now I have already cut my bell pepper. It was mixed up. Yeah, it was mixed up. I have a yellow, red, and green one. I've added my vegetable, my cabbage, the purple and the green white one. I'll turn it. Guys, this is salad. Yeah, this is salad, but you are gonna see how it's gonna look so beautiful and so delicious in this food, in this stew. Okay. Yeah, and this is healthy. Eating vegetable is so healthy. So what I will do now, I will add a little bit seasoning, that is Maggi. I will add one Maggi there, and I will turn it very well. I didn't add any water, right, guys? Because this vegetable can bring out water as it's cooking. So don't add water. What you're gonna do, just cover it to steam up. It's gonna bring water. Before then, I have added my little tomato I have. Okay, just add everything you needed to do this. I will also add my small pepper. I added the small pepper for good taste, guys. Then I cover it to steam for 5 minutes. Let's see how it's gonna look. Do you see how it is after 5 minutes? Now you keep turning it until this vegetable cook well. Okay, yeah, be turning it and be checking it until it cook like more 2-3 minutes again. Then I will show you how I will add it to make it to rhyme together. Keep watching, don't go away, guys. So I cover it again for 2 minutes. Now I will use potato gratin. Dutch call it kartoffel gratin. I will use it, just they have already prepared it. It is in this form. You can get it in the supermarket. I add it in the plate, add small water, turn it, allow it to melt. Then you add it inside this vegetable, beautiful vegetable. Add it and turn it. This particular kartoffel gratin will bring the vegetable together and make it to rhyme. It will look so beautiful. It will look so delicious after 2 minutes. So after adding it, now we are going to allow it to steam like 2 minutes again. If you see how it looks like now, you see it, allow it to steam for 2 minutes. Then your veggies, your wonderful healthy veggies is ready, guys. Okay, can test for salt, and if you need more salt you can add it. Just cook it for your taste. This is very yummy, very beautiful, very delicious. After eating this, nothing like tomato stew. Tomato stew will be an olden day stew. Okay, guys, do you see how it looks like? It's so yummy. Just try it and come and thank me later, guys. So how do you see it now? Do you see the mix of this cabbage make it so delicious, make it so good? Now it is done. I'll now bring out my rice. I've already cooked my rice with my pot, my electric cooker. Yes, my rice cooker, whatever you call it. This is my big one. The other one I unboxed the other day was the small one. So this is the big one. I have already cooked rice with it. Now I dished it out. Now take your veggies and add it. Guys, how do you see this? It looks so yummy and healthy. Guys, in fact, tomato stew is gonna be of olden days method. Try this my style and come and thank me here. Come and thank me. If you cannot get this spice I used to bring them together, get it. You can get it in any supermarket. Even you can also get equivalent to something like this and prepare yours. Okay, thank you so much, and please kindly subscribe to my channel and also share this video. It will help a lot of people who don't like tomato stew. Okay, just check it out now. Check it out now. Oh, so guys, I love this. After eating this, I fell asleep. And this looks so yummy. Just try it and thank me so much, guys. Bye bye for now. Love you. Cheers.